Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can add payment details on Gumroad account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further ado, let's get into it. Now access your gumroad.com on your browser and get into the official website and make sure you're logged in as well. Then tap on the profile icon given on top right corner, and from over here you will be in the settings section. If you're not, you will find the option right on the left side. Scroll to the bottom and there you will have the option. Tap on it. Now from over here, switch this toggle of payments as I have selected. As soon as you do that, according to the country you have selected, you will have plenty of payment options to add on. For my country and for my account, I have two options: is connect to Stripe and bank account. I can choose the account type, which is individual or business, and add in my information at the bottom and can add it. For the bank account purpose, I can go to connect to Stripe, which will simply give me the option of connect with Stripe. I'm going to be tapping on that and connecting my Stripe account for my payment purposes. Now if you are reside in another country and you have option of PayPal or something like that in the another form, instead of connect to Stripe, you will have this option of connect with PayPal. Tap on it, add in the PayPal information, and you're good to go. So that's how you will do. Hope this video helped you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.